Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Runway video tools permissions for post-production workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Runway video tools permissions for post-production workflows, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Runway website. Sign in to your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account tab in your dashboard. Click on the tab to access your account settings. Look for the section labeled Permissions or Integrations. Select the option to manage permissions for video tools. You may see a list of permissions available for granting. Review each permission carefully to ensure they align with your post-production needs. To enable a permission, toggle the switch to the on position. If applicable, confirm your actions by clicking on any prompts that appear. After updating the permissions, locate the Save button and click it to apply your changes. Return to the home page or dashboard of your Runway account. Open a project or create a new one to test the permissions you've just authorized. Check if the video tools are functioning properly. If all tools are accessible, you've successfully authorized the necessary permissions. Should you encounter issues, revisit the Permissions section to ensure all settings are correct. Consult the Help or Support section if problems persist. Following these steps will streamline your post-production workflows with Runway video tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.